I'm Sarah, and every day my life revolves around design. This is my journal of what's happening right now in my world as a creator, an entrepreneur, a partner, and a mom. And I'm sharing it with you. So let's go. Today is another chapter in my design life. Okay, so here's the update. The windows started going in on Monday. I could only be there Monday for the day, and I had to come back because I had a photo shoot Tuesday and Wednesday, which was beautiful and it went really well, apart from the fact that it was rainy and the weather wasn't great. But anyway, that's fine. Alex and the team have continued on with all of the construction and the carpentry and the window installation. And the window installation has been going really well so far. But now Alex said that he needs to have a call with me.
I think we better call Sarah because we have a little problem here.
Every layer we peel off, we find more bad stuff.
We're up here on the flat roof and it's rotting the whole way around. Better see what the boss wants to do.
He just sent me this picture. So these are the railings that are on the upper part of the roof. And what I don't understand is why these are coming off. Because there's a flat roof and that wasn't changing.
We're gonna have to re-roof this whole thing. So these railings have to come down. There's one.
Why did you send me a picture of the railing going past the opening?
Well, I'm gonna show you some stuff over here, but the roof is totally shot.
The flat roof is shot. I'm gonna turn you like this. See, all I can see, oh boy.
It's completely rotten. We have to replace the whole roof.
Do I look frozen on your screen?
Yeah, I was like, did the network drop? Because you look pretty frozen.
Yeah, I'm sitting like this.
So Chris and I have been discussing it, and we have two options. One is we can rebuild this like it is now.
Yeah.
And put a flat roof back down. But remember when we built this, we thought it'd be a fun deck?
Yeah, we never use it.
We've never used it. We could order up a roof truss package to mirror the south side, and then we could actually raise the roof and get rid of the flat roof problem.
But how does that affect our timing?
Well, it doesn't help our timing, but at the same time, we've now got to redeck this whole roof.
All right, that's bad. But the only thing is we don't want just a common roof truss package.
Ah, but this is a scissor truss.
Ah.
Or we hand cut them. But we then need an engineer quickly to tell us what we can do so we can start cutting them next week.
So if we get a scissor truss package, it means that we can still get a cathedral ceiling.
The fastest way forward is to hand cut this, and it's not a big framing job. Chris says it's a few days,
okay,
but we need a couple more hands, obviously. If you order a truss package, it's 4 weeks.
No, then let's hand cut it.
Because we're now changing the roof profile, like we've been able to do this without needing a permit because we're just changing screens to windows. But now we're actually making a change, so we're going to need a permit. So we're going to need an engineer to do us a quick drawing so we can get it into the building department and get cracking.
So you want me to get in touch with them?
Yes, please.
I just have one question.
Yes?
Are you ever coming home?
Doesn't look like it.
Okay. So that's an interesting development, isn't it? This room was part of the impetus for the whole change of this project because this is going to give us awesome value-added space. And I get that there's unforeseen challenges when you're renovating an old building. If you're renovating a historic home, 100 years old, of course there's going to be changes. But I wasn't really expecting there to be so much rot in a cottage. The oldest part of this cottage is 20 years old. And we have experienced more rot and more problems than we anticipated. So, it's an adventure. But now we're gonna end up with a way better room. Yep. And I'm gonna get in touch with the engineer.